Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Karpaya. In this video series, we are going to solve some assignment questions for an NPTEL course called Integrated Circuits and Applications. I'm just sharing this video for the people who are going to appear for NPTEL exam. If you practice all the assignments with thorough understanding, definitely you can score good marks. To score marks in assignments, don't forget to follow my channel. All the very best. Hi friends, in this video we are going to see assignment number 9 solutions. Question number 1, in this input frequency is given as 250 kilohertz and free running frequency is given as 230 kilohertz. Now the question is, what is the output of the phase detector? Phase detector output is nothing but it is the phase frequency difference between two frequencies, input frequency different and free running frequency. The difference is 250 minus 230 is 20 kilohertz. That is the answer. Question number 2. PLL will log if the bandwidth of the low pass filter is. So here the bandwidth of the low pass filter is nothing but again it should be greater than or equal to the difference. So the difference here what we have is 20 kilohertz. So the option is nothing but what 25 kilohertz. The remaining all three options are less than 20 kilohertz. Question number 3. If the cutoff frequency of low pass filter is 20 kilohertz and the free running frequency is 250 kilohertz, then the input frequency, that is nothing but the same question again, bandwidth of the low pass filter is greater than or equal to the difference between input frequency and the free running frequency. Okay, so using that, it is free running frequency is 250 kilohertz and bandwidth is 20 kilohertz, so it can be plus or minus 20 kilohertz, and therefore the answer can be input frequency can be either 230 kilohertz or 270 kilohertz. In between 230 kilohertz to 270 kilohertz, in that case the answer is 260 kilohertz. Question number 4, where for VCO, voltage to frequency conversion is 5 kilohertz per volt. If the free running frequency is 35 kilohertz and input frequency is 30 kilohertz, then the frequency shift is nothing but the difference between Fi and F naught, that is equal to 35 minus 30 kilohertz, that is 5 kilohertz. The answer is 5 kilohertz. Question number 5, we got a 5 kilohertz frequency shift, because of which what is the DC voltage, control voltage we are having, that is nothing but del V we can have. Okay, so the frequency voltage to frequency conversion is 5 kilohertz per volt, it is given, and the frequency difference is nothing but del f equal to del f divided by kV, frequency voltage to frequency conversion. So here 5 kilohertz divided by 5 kilohertz per volt, the answer is 1 volt. So option D. For question number 6, IC 565 is given. For that, first question is, what is del FL? Sixth question, del FL, that is equal to plus or minus 7.8 F naught by VCC, where F naught equal to 0.25 by RC or 1 by 4 RC. 0.25 divided by RS 10 kilohertz and the C is zero point 0.1 microfarad, that is 10 power minus 8 farad from the diagram I took. So the answer is, if I solve this, if I solve F naught, that is 2.5 kilohertz, after substituting F naught in this equation, del FL will be plus or minus 975 hertz. The answer is, I think I left, this is question number 6. I missed it. So please note on it. This is question number 7. Question number 7, that is nothing but capture range. What is capture range? Capture range is nothing but plus or minus square root of lock in range divided by 2 pi RC, where R equal to 3.6 kilohertz, R equal to 3.6 kilohertz by default, and C is here 10 microfarad. So after substituting FL is nothing but 975 hertz, R is 3.6 kilohertz, and C here it is 10 microfarad. So after substituting all these values, I will get plus or minus 65.65 hertz. So the option is B. Last question. So the last question, where free running frequency F naught is 2.5 kilohertz and K pi A, KV, VCC all are given. Now what is the question is nothing but again lock in range del FL. Del FL can be found using same sixth question formula, that is plus or minus 7.8 F naught divided by VCC, where VCC is nothing but what, plus it is voltage of minus voltage, that is nothing but here 12 volt is given, so 12 minus of minus 12, that is nothing but 24 volt, minus VCC plus and plus VCC, we have to add both, so answer is 24 volt. So after substituting 7.8 into F naught is 2.5 kilohertz divided by 24 volt, if I substitute, then I will get 812.50 hertz. Option C. Thank you.